Sound Ideas was a dream that started out in the mind of Brian Nimmons. He wanted to create sound effects, capturing unique sounds from around the world. And in 1978, he turned that dream into reality. He's built the company into the world's largest publisher of sound effects. You name it, Sound Ideas has recorded it. Sound Ideas started off small, using a 4-track recording studio to develop their first library on reel-to-reel tape. In the mid-1980s, the compact disc, or CD, was just coming of age, and the entire sound industry was about to change.
It came of age in about 1985, and that's actually when the company got a break, was able to put their sound effects on compact disc, and we were the first by about a year and a half to be out in the industry, the professional industry, selling our product.
The team was on a mission to find the most unique sounds to add to their growing collection, which granted them access to some very exclusive places.
Well, by far the most exciting and unusual was the recording on the SS Saratoga. We got permission from the Pentagon. It took me about a year and a half of pursuing, but we spent 3 days and 2 nights on an aircraft carrier recording all different aspects from engine room to catapulting the F-14s and F-18s off the deck.
They got up close and personal at SeaWorld. And shot rounds of ammo off in the Nevada desert. Sound Ideas was in demand and needed a state-of-the-art recording studio. And today, this is still home base for the team as they create magic in the studio. Sound Ideas began co-ventures with various film companies including Lucasfilm, Warner Brothers, Turner Entertainment, 20th Century Fox, and of course, this guy.
Hello, sound lovers. It's your old pal, Fred Flintstone, here to introduce you to the Hanna-Barbera Sound Effects Library, distributed exclusively by Sound Ideas.
The team has spent thousands of hours recording.
Okay, smash them up again.
Trying things again. And again. And again.
Kabang! Good one.
There's a lot of trial and error. We're constantly smashing, bashing, trying to find the right sound.
All of this time spent in the field recording meant their next library was going to be huge, and it was. The Series 6000 The General Sound Effects Library has been an all-time bestseller for the company until the General HD Library pushed the limit even further. Over the years, new opportunities came knocking. Sound Ideas jumped at the chance to purchase the Hollywood Edge Collection. Their catalog has more than 60 individual sound libraries and over 70,000 sounds. But their biggest acquisition to date was Sound Dogs. This company pioneered online sales of sound effects and production music libraries long before any big names today. Sound Dog sound effects are highly respected and have frequent Academy Award and Emmy nominations for their 2 premier libraries, Sound Deluxe and Sound Storm. You can hear their sounds in The Fast and the Furious, Skyfall, Iron Man, Braveheart, Kill Bill, and Game of Thrones, to name just a few. The Sound Dog site offers more than 1 million tracks available for immediate purchase and download. Leading the industry as a family, Sound Ideas is stronger than ever. Searching on land, in the sky, or just around the corner for the best sounds across the planet. And making lots of new friends along the way.